Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting your Mac ready and starting the installer. First, confirm your Mac OS meets requirements and free up 2 GB. Once done, sign into the Google account you'll use. Make sure two-step verification is ready if required. Download Google Drive for desktop and open the DMG. Drag the app to Applications and launch it. When prompted, grant Finder and accessibility permissions so Drive can sync and show files. This sets the foundation for controlled, reliable syncing from the start. Now configure how Drive will handle your files and bandwidth. Choose Stream Files to access items on demand and save local space, or Mirror Files to keep local copies for offline use. Next, pick which My Drive folders to make available and add any local folders you want to continuously back up. Make sure to set upload and download limits if you're on a metered connection and configure pausing schedules. These choices determine performance, storage usage, and how quickly changes propagate between devices. Finish by confirming everything syncs correctly and learn a key fix. Check the Drive icon in the menu bar for a green check or active syncing animation to confirm success. If files show as offline or permissions errors appear, go to System Settings Privacy and Security and allow Drive access to files and folders plus full disk access, then restart the app. If syncing stalls, sign out and sign back in or clear the Drive cache. This quick troubleshooting step resolves most common issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.